Hi, I'm Aaron. I'm an area sales manager with Zehnder Clean Air Solutions. It's our mission to work with companies across the UK to help them provide clean air for their employees, as well as help each company save time and money. How do we do it? Well, it's really simple. If you work in a warehouse, you'll be feeling you're seeing dust on product, floor, surfaces. Fine dust can get everywhere, affecting conveyors and sensitive equipment on site, and it creates a generally dirty working environment. Waiting for dust to settle before removing it is both time consuming and costly because it has to be done manually. Until now. With Zehnder's patented technology, we can automate your cleaning processes, meaning your employees can focus on tasks that generate profit. Equally, you'll extend the life of sensitive and expensive equipment and provide your staff with a better all-round working environment. So, how much could you save by implementing Clean Air? Well, it varies from case to case, but here are some real-life examples. Third-party logistics, boxes were cleaned manually by our hygiene team to ensure clean product for their customer. We reduced airborne dust, allowing them to scale down cleaning by 80% and provide annual net savings of £20,000. At a parcel terminal, they had high maintenance costs on conveyors and equipment, and barcodes on products on the scan due to surface dust. We extended the life of conveyors and reduced barcode interruptions, resulting in net savings of £20,000. Finally, at an online retailer, staff conducted cleaning as part of their daily tasks, taking valuable time away from picking and shipping their product. By reducing their cleaning time from 84 hours to 12 hours per week, we saved the business £52,000 per year. Full details for each case are available on our website. So, if you'd like to enjoy some of these benefits, it's really simple. Complete the form for your no obligation assessment. Myself or a colleague will call you back, discuss the requirements, or produce your own payback report. In here, you'll find the areas where you can make savings and improvements with clear details to discuss with your colleagues. There's no obligation, we'll carry out your assessment at no cost. So, what are you waiting for? Simply click the button and we'll guide you through.